Hello everyone, welcome to Allied Expertise. I'm Dr. Swadamini Sinha. I'm a member of Allied Expertise, and today we have with us Havin. Hi Havin, welcome to Allied Expertise and congratulations on clearing your OPRA exam in the first attempt. How are you feeling?
I am feeling grateful and thankful to our teachers, those who did well during the last 3-4 months. They are worked together to achieve this goal. And also, first of all, I thanks to the Almighty God, my parents, my better off, everyone who helped me to achieve these results. Actually, I had completed 2006 my BPharm career, and then I went to Middle East. Then I come back on September to Australia along with my wife and the family. So from that we started this coaching, and I started from the day one of the classes, and it happens.
So tell us about yourself. Like, from where did you do your graduation, and where are you from?
I had completed my I am from the southern end part of India, called Kanyakumari. Mostly everybody knows that place.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So I had completed my B Pharmacy from the Dr. MGR Medical University in the year 2002 2006. Then I started my career as a pharmacist, then went to the Middle East, then I worked there, then I worked as a area sales manager, the last position which I held. Then I come to move to Australia. I need a nomination to work in the pharmacy. So the Elite Expertise, it's a platform to help me to move into this success. Thanks for them again.
Okay, so why did you choose Australia?
See, we are in the Middle East, and we are in the Middle East. We have to work with somebody, and although then the climates, and we will not get a citizenship, or we cannot live long, or we cannot spend our whole life here. So when we choose between Canada and Australia, and my wife also have some better opportunities over here, so we choose as a family, decided to come to Australia for the nice climate, weather, and the culture, and we want to settle here. That's it.
Okay,
But it
so
is
how
a
did you come
hard
in?
time for us. Yeah, and also we'll get our citizenship, and so that will be a good future for our children as well as us.
Right. So how
And
did you
I
come in
came to
contact
know,
with Elite?
I have a couple of coaching centers as like related expertise, and from others from India. So why I choose select expertise is challenge this one, because there are two are there from basically from say pharmacy, and they came and they write their examination. They have a wide range of like a good experience in the field, and also still they are working and they are sharing their day-to-day experience in the pharmacy field, what they are handling every day. So, and also second thing, obviously the fees, and also the third things, the what's they will give, okay, you will make you pass, don't worry, don't listen to anything, don't listen, study our materials. And I did not study anything, and when the exam comes, oh, I don't have anything to read, but I keep my mind straight what they said, and I don't take any single notes from them. They told, Madam Harika told, don't take any notes. I follow her, that's it. And Mr. Arif sir also, I didn't do anything much things. And also I have some clinical experience. I worked in the retail industries more than 15 years. So based on that once, it helps me to overcome this exam in the first time. And we are a little worried about difference between KAPS, OPRA. So so we have such we don't know anybody's that what type of questions will come, how it will be, and everything. And I completed the examination within I came before 1 hour the examination finished.
Wow, that's so great. And you have cleared your
Yeah, yeah,
exam
because
also.
people are worried. And she told me one time while doing the practice, the first choice is the best choice. When you select an answer, don't go and keep on checking and thinking and make it doubtful on your mind. The first fixing is the best fixing. So I didn't go, I go for revising at say one time. I did not go for 2-3 times and make my mind confused. And I have a right answer for the questions, so it makes also easier to finish the examination before the time it's finished. And that's it, it's easy on that day. But the same doubt is there whether I will pass or not, I don't know. But I didn't go back and check the answers, nothing. But still I have a confidence on, and only thing I followed them, that's it.
Okay. One word about Arif sir and one word about Harika ma'am.
Harika madam teach like she will go with the examples. She said stories from for diaper dermatitis, what happened to one case happened in her family, and how her grandmother died in the last stage, how the died like a death will be. And from so and also she will give some examples to each topics, like for example an organophosphorus compound poisoning. See, make one example, his name I forgot now the name, but still the story is remaining with me. So she keep on saying the stories and also explaining the things. Arif sir is also, they are very good people and they have a very good knowledge on their exam, on the subjects. So they are both good in this at one. And Arif sir is like he is more focused on the like a lecture type, like he will continuously teach us. And he's strict on the one. But Arif Harika madam class is like, still we can remember what she told in the like stories. She will say how it will happen, explaining like in a simple way. But Arif sir also, he has a very good knowledge on the subjects, but his teaching and her teaching is totally different. And we can cope up each other, it's okay, they are very good people.
Okay. So in how much time
So
you
I told
completed
you
your... Yeah, please.
sorry.
Please continue. Please
Yeah,
continue.
yeah, they are this way. It helps me to recall in my mind. I didn't take any notes, and I didn't see the recordings 2 or 3 times. And one thing I didn't do it. What they said is you have to make yourself last 1 month free. Since I came moved to Australia, I cannot make it myself free. I have to work in the places. I have to earn money to survive. So I couldn't be able to do that one. But I keep my last 5 days completely for these examinations, and slowly they will start. But then the seriousness will go on increasing to until to the examination. So I will tell them to. I will just to follow what they say. That's it. Don't do anything more than that. That's it. You can pass your examinations.
Yeah.
And it is not a hard examination. You have to. They will say when they finished one syllabus or a subject. When we go to the next subject, when we think. It won't come in our mind. But Harika, she told, don't worry about that. It will come on that exam time. Be calm yourself and finish the examinations. That's it. So we have to take their advices and just follow that one.
Right. So in how much time you completed your opera exam preparation, and each day how much time you dedicated to yourself?
Actually, when the first class started, I am with them. So I am following always the classes on time. I will wait there. I will attend the classes online. That's it. And when in the last months they told they will go for the like a continuous studies, that one I couldn't be able to do it. I am not on the online. So once it finished, so I will watch that one and I will keep remembering that once.
Okay.
I didn't take any notes. And the last time I need to study something, they told that you can relax. That's it. Don't think about anything. I think on Sunday they stopped the last class on Saturday, I believe. After that, I don't have anything to study. I didn't refer any other materials. Only one time I just saw the classification on the drugs to make the mind peace of mind. That's it. I didn't touch any other things.
Okay.
And after examination, I got my other book like what's the some books. After that, not before, I didn't touch any book. straight
Okay.
from the Middle East to Australia, and then from there this success.
Okay. Last question for you. Do you have any tips for our future pharmacists who will be appearing for OPRA in July and November?
Yeah, yeah. Just they can follow the classes, and also this what I did is different for other people. They let them follow. They say they can see the video 3 times minimum. So first time they can watch in the class, second time they can increase the speed of the videos so they can watch, and the third time it more, so it will definitely register in their mind. That's it. And also continuously, and also the 1 month before the examination, you have to make it free as they told. So this will make a huge success, and also that time they can like you can get more like a discussion points for the examinations.
Okay. Thank you so much, Havin, and all the very best for your future. Thank you so much,
Okay,
and all the best again. Till that time,
okay, thank
bye.
you.